Desirable split home with an enormous footprint. Enjoy 3 bedrooms on upper level with 2 additional in lower level. Master bathroom boasts a 3/4 bathroom and 2 closets. Living room and dining room situated under good vaulted ceilings for the open floor plan feel. You'll enjoy spending the summer on your freshly stained deck with a view of private backyard. Lower level family room is perfect for your man cave, yet there is plenty of natural light with windows on 2 sides and sliding glass door to backyard. Lower level bath offers an expansive tub and shower with 2 shower heads. Sellers have taken great care of this home. Move in and enjoy life.